Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing out a whole bunch of new makeup and sharing my thoughts and opinions on it. Okay, I feel like I haven't filmed in a long time. Alright, I'm starting out with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I don't think I've really ever used Cover FX before. Oh, so it's a skin tone kind of color, and it just says that it instantly smooths out lines, minimizes pores. I can feel that it's made my skin like really smooth. It's not as slippery as some other silicone-based primers. Like it's got a bit of like tack to it almost. I am trying out the Giorgio Armani Powder Fabric Foundation today. I have the shade 6. This is an SPF of 25 Longwear High Cover Foundation. I do remember when Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation was all the rage, and this one, it looks very similar. Ooh, someone here. I just got a parcel. So that'll give you some new stuff to try. I think it's the L'Oreal stuff, to be honest. Yes! Take your eyes to paradise. Ooh, ooh. How cute is this little PR package? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have seen this in Chemist Warehouse. We have the Paradise Mascara. Oh, we have a brow pomade, which has a little thing. It's very much like the Benefit one. What color have I got? Brunette. We've got, what is this? I'm so confused. What is this? Kajal Ecstatic? 3-in-1 crayon liner. Oh, it's a, oh, 3-in-1. How is that 3-in-1? I don't understand. Maybe I need to watch a tutorial or something, but I'll try those out in my video as I get to it. Back to what I was saying, I feel like it might be a little bit too dark for me today, but I think I have 5.75 in the Luminous Silk, and I feel like it's a little bit too light. I took off my ears to answer the door and I left them out in the kitchen, so new set of ears. I'll put some of this on, and I'm going to take my beauty sponge, beauty blender, and blend that. Oh, it has a strong fragrance. Actually, that color match is not too bad. I don't really see the coverage though. I might blend it out a little bit with my finger. Oh, that's better. Oh, that looks quite nice actually. It's quite easy to blend out, to be honest. It looks like it's oxidizing a little bit. It does have like a scent, but it kind of smells like sunscreen. Oh, like, I mean, it is quite a pricey foundation. It's not something that I'd want to probably wear every day because of the price. So this is one side with the beauty sponge, and I'm going to do this side with a brush. You can definitely see the coverage there. Like my redness is pretty much gone. You can see a little bit of scarring. So it doesn't completely cover them, but it does a pretty good job. It looks like it's matching pretty well to my fake tan that I've got on. I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush. I'm gonna pop it straight on the brush. Now this is one pump, and this is on a manicure brush. Kabuki Cream Contour. It's a contour brush. Whoops, my bad. I got the wrong one. They all do the same thing anyway. Blends really nicely with a brush. And that one pump went a lot further than the initial one pump on the other side. And that's one more pump. I think I prefer it with the Beauty Blender, but I probably used a bit more product on this side. So I think I need a little bit more product on this side. Usually I do a full first impressions on this foundation. It's just too late in the day for me to do that. It is nearly 2 p.m. So I'm just gonna do a little mini first impressions. If you'd like to see a full review, let me know. Moving on, I'm going to use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Concealer. I have the color Light Neutral. Look, the packaging is cute, I appreciate it. It's just a little bit inconvenient being in a glass bottle and whatnot. So I'm just gonna take that underneath my eyes, down my nose, a little bit on my forehead, chin. Kind of smells like paint, but I have had this like a long time. Just gonna blend that out. I did get told by one of the Tarte reps that this is very, very similar to Tape Shape, which I can kind of see, but it's just not, it's a little bit more watered down, if you know what I mean. I'm just going to use some NYX Dark Circle Corrector. I have been calling this dark circle eraser for the longest time, and it's actually called Dark Circle Corrector. So my apologies for calling it the wrong thing, but it's It erases my dark circles. Would you actually believe it if I told you that I haven't tried the Laura Mercier loose setting powder? Like the translucent powder? Like, I mean, I don't even know if I can believe it that I haven't tried it. I have it here to try today. Comes with a lot of products. Like I don't see myself ever running out of it kind of thing. Okay, tipping some into the lid. Just gonna take that underneath the eye. Just gonna take some my forehead there. A little bit on my chin. Just taking my Savvy pressed powder and setting the rest of my face. At this stage, I would usually do brows. I love the packaging, it's so cute. Hope that this isn't gonna be too dark. Super creamy. Like, I mean, pomades are definitely my choice of brow product, especially when they're brand new. They're just super easy to apply and they just, I don't know, they look flawless, I feel. I'm just gonna pop away that baking. I feel like the color is a little bit too dark. Definitely not mad at this product. It's cute. I'm gonna use some Model Zone eye base. I got this palette the other day. It looks so cute. It's a BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded. I think that's what it says. So cute. I can't. Like, this palette is gorgeous. Just taking this color here and just setting my eye base with that. It's a little bit deeper than I thought it would be. Then I'm going in with this peachy orangey kind of color. I want to use this as like my transitional color. So you'll notice that I'm taking it widely through the crease and out a bit. I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for today. I'm just having a play, and this palette looked gorgeous. Like, when I got it, I'm like, oh, I need to try it. It's so pretty. I feel like I want to take the mustard color. Cannot really confirm if I've ever used mustard on my eyes. Let's just see how this goes. Could have used it as like a lid color. That would be really cool. Like a cut crease or something. But you know me, I'm pretty basic. And as Zoeva 224, I'm gonna take this burnt orange kind of color. And I'm gonna pop that through the crease. These shadows are actually really, really nice. And I know BH Cosmetics, they're just super affordable. I don't know about you guys, do you ever like look on there and just get so overwhelmed you just don't know what to choose? Unless you've seen someone use it, obviously. But this is blending really, really nice. I'm gonna have a look and see how much this palette is. Are you serious? It's $10. I am really blown away by the price. Like, look at this color. It's so vibrant. It's beautiful. It's, oh, it's everything. This is what, like, I just don't understand how some high-end products can charge the price, because if someone can make something this good for $10, it just makes you wonder kind of thing, you know? Okay, I'm gonna take this medium brown, kind of like make this a little bit smoky. Well, this isn't as dark as what I thought it would be. Oh, it's going over that orange and not in a good way. Oh, let me go back over with that orange. I'm gonna have to go in with this darker brown color. Kind of looks like a sunset, doesn't it? This one is a little bit patchy. Oh, I don't like that at all, actually. Oh, that's no good. Let me see if I can't like pat it. I don't like how this is going. So this palette needs like a little bit more like medium kind of colors. Just gonna wet my brush. Maybe I'll do a mix of things. Okay, so I'll take this bright gold one up the front. Then I'm going to take this middle gold one. That color though. Gorge. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful like rose gold kind of color just on the edge there. Which is exactly what I did in the Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial that I copied. So original. And I'm just gonna take some of that darker color and like blend it in. Just make it a little bit more smoky, even though it's not good at blending out. Okay, well that looks shit. You know why it looks shit? Because I need more stuff up here. My eyes look so beady. I'm not happy with this at all now. All right, well I'm gonna move on then. I'm gonna take that really bright gold color and why is that not showing up? And then just highlight that. My brow bone. Then I have this Sephora Glide liner. So this is meant to be waterproof. Let's test this out. Just gonna take that burnt orange color. A bit of that brown. Some of that darker color. Makeup Forever Aqua XL ink liner. I actually really like this. I don't often like felt tips. That's really nice. It's super black. I'm just gonna use a skin colored liner on my waterline there. Now we have the mascara. So this is the L'Oreal Paradise Static. So this is meant to be like a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I've got to say it kind of feels like the same. I just don't like the Too Faced Better Than Sex because it flakes on me throughout the day. I feel like there's little bits of eyeliner stuck in my lashes and the mascara isn't going through them. I think that that's pretty good. Smith & Colt Book of Sun. This packaging throws me off because it's just like, it's ruined, but it's not. I'm gonna take my NARS brush, take the bronzer. This is called Chapter 1 Sunday Sounds Slumber Still. I don't know if there's like different, can you hear that bird? It's so loud. I don't know if there's different colors, but this is not really showing up. That bird is being so obnoxious right now. I would say that this is nice, but it's not like, it's not dramatic enough for me. But if you just want like a little bit of a glow, I don't like a little bit of a bronzer. Definitely not contouring material. I'm gonna take the blush, see what I think of this. That's quite nice. I'm feeling like my foundation is kind of wearing away or something, like the coverage isn't as good. I'm going to put on a little bit of contour. I need a new shade and light palette because mine's broken. I'm just gonna take some of the darker shade and... Time for the most exciting part of this video. I'm trying out my good friend Tanya's highlight. Charabella. This is Charlie's Glow. I can't believe I'm actually trying this. I've had this literally for months and I wanted to wait until it was near released or released and then you guys can go buy it. So it comes in this gorgeous little box. Here it is. I'm gonna try Charlie's Glow for the first time on camera. Now this is a triple milled formula. Okay, here we go. Look at that. That is just so beautiful. It's so natural. So beautiful. Oh my God, Tanya, I'm literally so proud of you. Thank you so much for gifting these to me. I cannot wait to try the rest of the highlighters. If you didn't know, there's 4 in the range. So this is Charlie's Glow and it's beautiful. I have so many of these, the Balm liquid lipsticks to try out. Might use this one in Brilliant. I do have to do my lashes as well. Oh, hello. Oh, they're minty. Oh, just a little bit watery. It's so watery. It's literally so watery. Is it meant to dry down? I'm gonna use some lashes from the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Petite set. I think I'll use these ones second from the bottom. This color, this lip color though, gorge, actually gorge. So I'm just gonna fix up my hair. Okay guys, I'm all finished my makeup. Little thoughts on some products. The foundation I liked. I think I just need to play around with it a little bit more with different primers and I don't know, different application. Like I don't know, I just feel like the coverage on this side isn't that great, so maybe needs a little bit more. I don't know. The highlight, oh my god, look at me, I'm glowing, like, oh, it's beautiful. I would highly recommend checking out my friend Tanya's highlights. I'll have everything listed down below. Lipstick I like, it's got a bit of tack to it, which means it's not super uncomfortable. Like I don't feel like it's going to be super drying. The color I love. What's it called? Brilliant. The eyeshadow palette. I'm so torn because at the start it was just like, oh my god, yes. And then just like that dark shade. I don't know. It looks fine in the end. The metallic shades on the lid are beautiful. They worked great. And the matte shade's great. Just the dark shade. I don't know what was going on there. Brows. I'm pretty happy with my brows. Like they're a bit dark, but that's the color. The product was really great to use. A pomade is generally pretty easy to use upon opening it. It's depending on whether like how long it lasts, because I think typically probably lasts once opened, maybe 6 months or so, and you usually don't get through the whole product and you have to use some Duraline or some spray every time you use it to make it more creamy again. I liked the mascara so far. Like, I mean, I'll have to test it out to see if it will flake down here or if it's waterproof, or you know, usually I have a problem with mascaras transferring up here or down here. Lashes are gorge, super easy to apply. So that is the Petite set by NJC. I didn't mind the concealer. I did like the eyeliner, the liquid liner that I'm a fan of, and the Sephora pencil one, it was actually pretty good. My eyes aren't irritated and I usually can tell within the first 10 minutes of it being on if it's going to irritate my eyes or not, so that's good. The blush contour, I'd probably give that a miss unless you're after kind of like a natural kind of bronzer. It was pretty nice. It was a bit powdery, there was a bit of kick up in the pan, but the blush is quite nice. I just can't even tell because this highlight is just so amazing. Let's be honest, not mad about it at all. Oh, the primer, I don't know, I'll have to test it out. Like, I mean, I feel, let's see. It actually really did smooth everything out. Like, what pores? It actually looks really good, guys. I might do like a little bit of a final check-in maybe later tonight, tell you how everything's lasted on my skin. It's nearly 3 p.m, let's be honest. I'm not gonna wear it for that long, but maybe a little bit of a check-in might help you guys' opinions about these products. Who knows? Hey guys, it's about 10 p.m. I just wanted to do a really super quick final check-in on my makeup. I've been wearing it, what, like 10 hours or so, 9 hours? I think it's held up really good. I'm really shining because of the lights. This usually happens when I do a final check-in, but overall, my pores have like they're hidden still, and like the eyeshadow stayed on really well. You know what? The eyeliner is the thing that I'm impressed with the most. It is still like super, super black and it looks gorge. Lips, I haven't even touched up on the lips and I've eaten, so overall I'm really impressed with how this lasted throughout the day, or half a day anyway. The foundation is quite nice, although I've noticed like a new pimple has come up here and I don't think that was it before. I feel like it stayed in place pretty well, just needs a bit of blotting. Usually my skin is actually very oily at the end of the day anyway, but yeah, pretty good. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.